Have you ever noticed how the right tool doesn't just make the job easier, it makes it fun? If you love woodworking, you know what I mean. Sometimes it's not about how big the machine is, but how smart the design can be. Today, we're showing you 20 genius woodworking tools on Amazon that'll have you saying, "Where has that been all my life?" Each one's built to save time, boost precision, and make your projects look next level. If you've ever had a board kick back on a table saw, you know how scary that can be. The Hedgehog Featherboard was designed to stop that completely. Its smart spiral design locks your material snugly against the fence for smoother, safer cuts. You can adjust it with one hand and one knob, making setup ridiculously fast. Made from heavy-duty DuPont nylon, it's durable and fits standard 3/4-inch miter slots perfectly. Every pass feels steady, controlled, and professional. Building furniture or framing wood? The Craig Pocket Hole Jig XL makes joining lumber effortless. Just drill, drive, and you're done. Perfect joints with no gaps. It's ideal for 2x4s and 4x4s, so you can tackle bigger projects like benches, tables, or decks without hassle. The jig aligns perfectly every time, giving you tight, professional joints that stay strong for years. Built from durable steel with an easy clamp system, it saves time, improves accuracy, and takes the guesswork out of joinery. It's the definition of simple, solid craftsmanship. Forget those heavy, noisy chainsaws that make you dread yard work. The Saker Mini Chainsaw is compact, cordless, and crazy powerful for its size. It slices through thick branches in seconds, perfect for trimming trees, cutting firewood, or general cleanup. One hand is all you need to handle it safely. The built-in safety lock, overheat protection, and rechargeable battery make it both efficient and secure. Lightweight but mighty, it's the kind of gadget that makes every outdoor job quick and effortless. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you want every cut to line up perfectly, you'll love the Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool. It's more than a marking pencil. It's a shape-shifting layout tool that adjusts into over 15 different configurations. Straight lines, circles, angles, or complex curves. It handles them all with total accuracy. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it feels solid and precise in hand. Once you lock it in position, it stays there. No slipping or shifting. It's ideal for tiling, paneling, or detailed woodworking and clips right onto your pocket. You're up on a ladder, one hand holding a drill, the other searching for that missing screw. Sound familiar? The RAK magnetic wristband solves it instantly. Packed with 10 super strong magnets, it keeps screws, nails, drill bits, and washers right on your wrist. No more dropping hardware or climbing down to find lost parts. It's lightweight, breathable, and fits comfortably, even on long jobs. Whether you're fixing furniture, assembling shelves, or working on a roof, this clever gadget acts like an extra hand. It's simple, smart, and a total time saver every builder should have. Every woodworker knows, precision is everything. That's where the Saker 4-in-1 positioning ruler comes in. This is like a mini engineering system in your hands. It measures, drills, levels, and marks with unmatched accuracy. Whether you're hanging cabinets, aligning handles, or setting angles, it keeps every line dead on. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it feels solid yet lightweight, with UV-printed markings that never fade. What makes it so addictive is the confidence it gives. You just know your cuts and holes will be perfect every single time. Once you use it, every regular ruler will feel outdated. Freehand cutting doesn't have to be a disaster anymore. The Bosch Universal Cut 18565 makes perfect straight cuts through wood and plastic like magic. Thanks to its nanoblade technology, it runs with almost zero vibration, meaning more control, cleaner cuts, and no need for clamps. The cordless design keeps it light and portable, ideal for fast adjustments or tricky angles. Blade swaps take seconds, so you can keep working without losing momentum. It's quiet, stable, and feels like the saw does all the work for you. For pros or DIYers who demand clean, fast, no-fuss results, this saw's precision is on another level. Smooth edges can make or break a piece of woodwork, and the Saker chamfer plane makes them perfect. This compact hand tool shapes and refines edges with precision. Its adjustable depth control and razor-sharp carbon steel blades give you silky smooth finishes in seconds. The built-in bubble level ensures every pass stays consistent. It's ideal for rounding corners, smoothing edges, or prepping wood for staining. You know those moments when you grab the wrong wrench for the bolt size? That ends here. The bionic wrench automatically adjusts to grip any nut or bolt with perfect pressure. Just squeeze, and it locks on tight. It replaces an entire wrench set in one clever design. The circular grip spreads force evenly, so there's no slipping or rounding off edges. It feels comfortable in hand, with a smooth squeeze that gives full control even on tough bolts. Say goodbye to awkward angles and impossible corners. The SpeedHex flip-out screwdriver bends, twists, and flexes into tight spaces like no other. Its 360-degree orbital rotation lets you work around obstacles effortlessly. Compact yet powerful, it's fully rechargeable with an LED light that illuminates your workspace. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, or working under the sink, this screwdriver adapts to every angle you need. A dull chisel doesn't just ruin wood, it ruins your patience. This complete sharpening system fixes that fast. It locks your chisel at the perfect angle every time, giving you razor-sharp edges without any guesswork. With a honing guide, a wide roller for balance, and a high-quality whetstone, it's built for smooth control and consistent results. Even beginners can get a mirror finish edge in minutes. Sharper tools mean cleaner cuts, smoother joints, and less strain while working. The Nick Pro Carpenter pencil set was made for real job sites. It's got a 45mm deep reach tip that lets you mark tight holes, corners, and gaps where normal pencils can't even reach. The built-in sharpener keeps your lines crisp, while the 2.8mm solid lead won't snap under pressure. It writes on wood, metal, concrete, or plastic, whatever your project demands. Plus, it comes with color refills for marking different materials clearly. It's durable, versatile, and designed to survive the roughest jobs. Climbing up a ladder while juggling tools is never fun or safe. The Fortress ladder changes that. It's not just sturdy, it's a mobile workstation in the sky. With wide anti-slip steps, built-in handrails, and a solid locking system, it feels rock steady even when you're 12 feet up. Tool trays and side slots keep everything within reach, so no more climbing down every 5 minutes. When you're done, it folds flat and rolls easily for storage. For painting, wiring, or outdoor repairs, this ladder gives you balance, comfort, and confidence. It's built for people who work smart, not scared. Transform your backyard into a custom outdoor paradise with the Toja Grid modular pergola system. It's designed for anyone who wants a high-end look without paying for expensive installations. The system uses strong, rust-proof brackets that fit standard lumber, letting you design and build any pergola shape you want, wall-mounted or freestanding. Add shade panels, lighting, or open beams. The choice is yours. It's DIY-friendly, weather-resistant, and built to last for years. Meet the multitasker every workshop deserves, the Tilswall rotary tool. With 160 watts of power and speeds up to 33,000 RPM, it handles everything: cutting, polishing, sanding, drilling, engraving, and more. The copper motor runs cool and smooth, while the ergonomic grip keeps your hand steady. It comes with 145 accessories, ready for almost any job you can imagine. Whether you're detailing a model, cleaning rust, or carving wood, this rotary tool brings professional precision to your fingertips. Dark corners won't slow you down anymore. The Format LED folding work light pumps out 1200 lumens of bright, clean light wherever you need it. The foldable arms fit into tight spaces, and the 360-degree base lets you aim the beam exactly right. It's rechargeable, impact-resistant, and weather-sealed with IP65 protection, so it's tough enough for any job site.